Welcome once again guys in my YouTube channel. Today we're going to wire this Eliwell and we're going to program it with safety for the compressor, and this is our load for the compressor. This will be our evaporator fan motor and for a condenser fan motor, and we're gonna use double pull, double throw relay here, and this side here is the coil. Let's begin guys with the wiring diagram, and I have made the wiring diagram here. Okay, just screenshot if you want to copy it, and let's start wiring it guys. Okay, first we can install the probe sensor to the terminal number 9 and terminal number 10. Next is the terminal number 5, my AC source, and this is my live. Connect the line, and this will be my live. And we will going to supply the coil of the relay. Okay guys, neutral, AC line 4 and 1. Together with my AC plug, and this is my neutral. Neutral here, and last but not the least, the line for the compressor supply the another side of the coil. Term number 2 is for the compressor. Okay guys, and next I'm going to install this dual pull, dual throw relay now. And let's put a load. My load should be here. Okay. First, I'm going to wire only the load for the compressor, and later we're going to install this and this. But during programming, I don't want that humming sound to be added to my video. So right now only the 12 watts LED. This is the adapter. Let's power it on guys. Okay, compressor engaged. Now we're going to, for the LS, it has a range of -50, but the last time we for the part 1, I guess this is the last. So we're gonna install it. To enter the programming mode, press the set button, and LS appear. Our LS, we change that to 1 degree Celsius. To reveal the value, press the set button again, and we're gonna put that to the positive 1, because this is intended for chiller only. Okay, check. Set to memorize, and next HS, and the value is positive 50, you put it to 4 degrees Celsius. Okay. Let's wait for the display to go back. I'm going to change the set point because last time I set the set point to positive 35. Okay. Okay, to enter the set point, just press and release. And we're gonna do that to the set point must be 1 degree Celsius. Okay, then set button to memorize, and let's enter again the HS, which is the highest set. Set, and now we can from 35 we're gonna change that to positive 4 and set. Next guys is the D. This is the differential. Okay, set button, and last time I entered the -3 here because this is in heating. Now I'm going to change that to 3 because my LS is 1 and my HS is 4, so from 1, 2, 3, 4, so I have a 3 differential here. Just press set, and next guys is the CT. Okay, CT guys is compressor type protection, and I have an illustration here enable for you to understand what is CT means. Okay, CT is compressor type protection, and CT guys CT guys is the compressor type protection, and it prevents close start up of the compressor, and the default is 0. Okay, but I prefer to put 1 here, and 1 guys is delay. Okay, we have a selection here. This one delay in seconds, okay, while 1 is delay in minutes, and while 2 is the minimum compressor off time before the following startup, and the delay expressed in minutes. So this one expressed in minutes. And 3 guys is the minimum delay between the 2 successive startup of the compressor. The delay is expressed in minutes. So this one guys is delay of the startup of the compressor. Startup. While this one here, while these 2 here is the delay in the activation of the compressor. Delay of the activation, and the best for this is delay in minutes. Let's put it guys to CD. Okay, and CD I put the value of 3 minutes here, And this CD here is compressor delayed protection time related to CT. So related to CT. And let's enter that. And let's locate the CT, CD, and the value is 0. And we're gonna put the value of 3 minutes. Okay? And why I put the value of 3 minutes? Because the delay is related to CT. And let's wait. Okay? I'm gonna turn this off. And let's see how many minutes is the delay now. See, the delay is done and compressor engaged again, and the delay, guys, it's too long, so we're gonna put that to 1 minute only. Okay, it's too long. I don't want to compromise your temperature because of too long activation of the compressor, so we're gonna change that to only 1 minute. Okay, CD, we're gonna put that to 1 minute. A 1 minute delay is enough. Okay, and next CP. Okay, CP, guys, we're gonna change from OF, the default. I choose on here, and I'm going to explain to you what is on. Okay, on, CP set. Okay, it's already set to on, and we're gonna explain to you what is on. Okay, under CP we have a selection of OF, on, and DC. Okay, we have the off, on, and DC, and this is our control. And this relay here, if we choose off, it's always disabled. Okay, now that I choose on here, okay, here I choose on, and on, the relay is always enabled. Okay, while the DC, guys, the relay is always the relay controlled according to on-off operation of this one, guys. On-off operation. If you want to choose DC, now the default is 5 minutes. For the compressor off, the default is 5 minutes also. So if you choose off, guys, this one is not going to be initiated. Okay, because you choose that the relay is always disabled in case a faulty probe. Okay, now that I choose on here, means that my relay is always enabled, just in case the evaporator, and take note, guys, this is evaporator and this is condensing, evaporator, and this one, guys, is the metering device. Okay, metering device, and this is the compressor. And since I choose this, and next, guys, is the on. So if I'm gonna use the DC, I would select this one to be in 3 minutes, and the off is 3 minutes. But since I choose the on, so the default value is, I retain the default value. And take note, on guys is time the compressor on in case of faulty probe, and compressor time off, and the default is 5 minutes. And the OD guys is the output delay at power on, time delay applied to activation of the relay at startup. And this is our relay delay at startup. So the DC guys have played a vital role, and its job is to delay the activation of this, just in case this got a problem, and it has a problem. And since I choose on, which means that my relay is always enabled, if ever whatever happen, before the compressor on and off, the 5 minutes delay. Okay, here the default is 5 minutes, just in case the compressor got a problem because our probe malfunction and it doesn't recognize the LS and HS. What happened here guys is this, the on and off of the compressor will prevail in case the faulty probe is being detected to be malfunction, so that the evaporator, just in case the compressor not stopping running, and to prevent this one to accumulate frost. Okay, and it will engage after 5 minutes of abnormality, and the OD will delay the activation for 2 minutes. Okay, and let's put a value of 2 minutes there for the OD. Okay, OD set 2 minutes. Okay, set, and let's go back to on. Okay, done for CP. For on, 5 minutes. Okay, and for the off, 5 minutes. Okay, so in case of abnormality, 5 minutes will stop the compressor from running, or just in case the abnormality is in the condenser also side, the temperature rise up, and the 1 to 4 degrees Celsius is not in range now, the compressor will stop. Okay, and it will delay with 2 minutes. So for the LC, this is the keyboard locking. If you want to lock this one guys, just press or choose Y or no. Okay, if you want somebody doesn't touch your setting here, just push it there and lock your keyboard. And right now it's set to no. If you want to set that to yes, okay, just press yes and let it store. But right now I don't want to use that. And next guys is the DR. This is the selection of the where is it? DR. Okay, selection for degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. If you are in the US, choose degrees Fahrenheit, but here we choose degrees Celsius. And next, guys, is this one, CA. CA, guys, is the calibration, and the range for the calibration is from negative 12, 0, 12, and I elaborated this, guys, to my Dixel, so I'm gonna paste the link and just watch it on how to do the calibration. Okay, so calibration is, okay, for the brief explanation. Okay, calibration, guys, just in case this is your evaporator, the evaporator reads 2 degrees Celsius, while here in our control it only reads 4 degrees Celsius, so we have a differential of 2 degrees Celsius. Now, just in case you want that the 4 degrees Celsius become 2 degrees because the inside cabinet is at 2 degrees, okay, we're gonna use this calibration. Okay, and take note, we have a 2 differential here. So if you want to correct, since this is a little bit high and it's a little bit too low, so if you want to calibrate that one, just proceed to handle the calibration, guys. Here is our center. This is the 0, this is the positive, and it's the negative here. Now if you want to the inside cabinet temperature is 2 degrees Celsius while the outside is 4 degrees Celsius. If you want this to become 2, just enter the CA parameter under the calibration, the default 0, put a value of negative 2, so the display will become positive 2. Okay, last but not the least, guys, we're going to install the load. Usually evaporator have a different parameter, but since this is only one relay, so we're gonna put this to this output voltage of this relay. Okay, guys, the power is on, and let's see if the 1 minute delay is being counted now. That is one of the safety of this control, to protect the compressor from restarting quickly. And if the compressor on, the condenser also on, together with the evaporator, fan motor. The reason we install 2 dual pole, dual throw relay, so that the relay here will not overload, because it's only rated 8 ampere, just in case your compressor is 1.5 HP or 2 HP. It's already meet the 8 ampere during the startup, because startup of the compressor is almost double the ampere of the compressor. And there guys, evaporator on, condenser on, and the load for the compressor is on also. Okay, that's all. If you have a question, just comment it down. If you're new to my channel, please follow me guys by subscribing and clicking the notification bell. Once again, thank you and God bless.